Welcome to Team Effort. Today's topic is how great developers are more than technicians, or why being efficient and stubborn is a pretty lousy combination. Hi, I'm Morten from Hyperreactive. Today we're going to talk about the soft skills that are the trademarks of a great developer and how good software teams employ more than technical skills. If you're new, please follow the channel by clicking the subscribe button. And as always, you can read even more about this topic in the article linked in the description below, where you can also subscribe to our newsletter. This time around, the article contains a summary of some great think pieces about the difficult soft skills of software development. To be a great developer, you have to be a hardworking, fast-learning, detail-oriented team player with great communication skills, able to work independently in a fast-paced environment. Just kidding. Those are some of the most common buzzwords used in job ads for software development jobs, and all other positions even. And while they each have grains of truth in them, in their basic form they're essentially reduced to hollow cliches. Of course, all of these terms are relevant. Everybody prefers a hardworking employee to a hardly working one. Who wouldn't? It's not like there are job ads out there for lazy employees who can't do teamwork and can't communicate. All of those traits are the mere basics of a modern professional, and they don't actually set any job apart from all the others. But we're not talking about job ads today. That's a theme for another video. Today we're talking about the actual soft skills required to be a great developer. Being a great technician is a good start to a career in software development, and for some it'll be enough. Being able to be given any task and implement it with the most efficient and bug-free way possible is important. But, and there's always a but, it's not enough if you want to be a great developer. Soft skills is the umbrella term assigned to this fluffy concept, which includes personal traits, communication abilities, and interpersonal skills. It's all the soft human things, such as empathy, ability to perform small talk, entertain and joke around, but also common professional traits such as being good at speaking, presenting to an audience, ability to break down a complex task, and critical thinking. It's an older term, but has gained prominence among HR departments in more recent years. So, what are the important traits for developers that aren't the cheesy cliches that apply to any position? As a great developer, you have to be persuasive, yet open-minded and patient. You will have to interact with lots of other people about different solutions to complex problems. And while the best one might seem obvious to you, everyone around you will have a different view of the world. Correctly treading the fine line between arguing for your own solution while being open and patient about the ideas of other people can be a very difficult task. It's not uncommon to see developers being either too set in their own ways to see the views of others, while not being able to argue why their own solutions are in fact better. You don't just have to know the right way to do it, you have to be able to explain it in an understandable way to your peers, managers, and customers. You also have to be creative and critical in your problem solving. Problem solving is not just a minor in your job, it's the primary purpose of having you there. And as in many professions, there's several ways to do it and no right answers. So just solving a problem isn't enough. To be great, you have to solve it creatively, efficiently, correctly, and in a timely manner. And that's a skill you don't come easy to. It requires a good combination of talent and lots of practice. Finally, you have to be an excellent learner, even when senior. You can never rest on your laurels and think that you've learned enough. You will constantly have to learn new things. Some of it will be smooth progressions, but every once in a while there's a paradigm shift even in your niche of the industry. And then you have to step up, throw everything you think you know overboard, and start completely over building up new knowledge. And that's actually a tough challenge, especially as you grow older. My own first attempt at grasping the purity of React or the true nature of NoSQL were difficult, as they both represented a shift in fundamentals from what came before. Of course you should be a hard-working team player, but you should also try to dive beneath the surface of those platitudes and actually internalize what it means. If you strive for greatness, aim for soft every now and then. This brings me to the question of the day. When did you recently rely on soft skills to solve a problem in your team? Please give your answer in a comment below and feel free to tag it like this. Finally, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. We'll be posting new content every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so make sure to stay updated. When you follow the link below to the in-depth article, you can also sign up for our newsletter on all things relevant for modern web development teams. Keep coding and thanks for watching.